Let's start off with some big breaking news coming in. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is likely to hold a virtual meeting with district magistrates in a few days from now on 20th May. The meeting will be to discuss the COVID strategy. Let me take this across to Rahul Srivastava, who's joining us this morning with more details. Rahul, good morning. A likelihood that the Prime Minister could be interacting with district magistrates in a few days from now. This is going to be something that will be talked about and there'll be a keen focus on because we're seeing cases right now going up in rural parts of the country.
Good morning, Akshita. The Prime Minister over the last few weeks has been holding regular meetings with officials and various stakeholders across the country as far as the battle against COVID is concerned. Now, Prime Minister has been emphasizing that the battle needs to start from the grassroots level, be it the containment measures announced by the various states. Remember that almost 98% of India, despite no nationwide announcement of a lockdown, is under some kind or some degree of restrictions. And the Prime Minister has been talking about how one better enforcement of restrictions and the COVID protocols, and also in terms of the feedback which originates from the states or the district or the grassroots level, how it should be reaching the top so that a more cohesive strategy for future can be decided. When the second surge started and the government and the alarm bells started ringing when there was a shortage of oxygen and people flooding the hospitals, I think that's where it was felt that the grassroots administrative system was not, one, sensitized, but was not alert enough to raise the alarm at the top level or collate and inform the administrative mechanism. And that is why such a large crisis could emerge. So the Prime Minister may be sending out a message to the district magistrates about how they can create a better alarm and implementation system.
All right, we'll be tracking the latest updates on this. What we're hearing is that the Prime Minister on 20th May could be going ahead and directly interacting with district magistrates to discuss how exactly to arrest the spread of the virus. This is happening at a time when you've already got a number of restrictions in place in districts across the country where there have been a number of COVID cases being reported. Rahul, thank you very much for joining us. More breaking news that's coming in.